We're making chicken fettuccine Alfredo, and I'm gonna show you how to make this easy sauce to go on here to make it so good. This is what's for dinner tonight. Come along, I'll show you how I did it. We are gonna be starting out by cooking our chicken. So I have a pan, I put some olive oil in it, and we're gonna heat that up until it becomes nice and warm, and then we're gonna place our chicken. The chicken I have pounded out a little bit so that it's more of an even, it doesn't have that thickness and then thin. So it's all kind of the even thickness. And I also seasoned it with salt and pepper. When you place the chicken in your pan, the side that is the nice side, because you know there's one side that's always got kind of the more the crinklier, it was closer to the body. The nice side of it, we're gonna put down first. And we're gonna put that right in there. And I'm gonna do 2 of them. And have your heat set to about medium is where you want to cook it. You don't want the chicken to burn, but you want it to get that nice brownness on it. So we're gonna cook it for a few minutes on this side, then we're going to flip it, and we're gonna finish it off on the other side, making it nice and brown. The reason we put down the nicest side first is because we're not gonna put it back onto that side, and it will look prettier on the plate. So we're gonna let those cook, and in the meantime, we have our fettuccine noodles boiling and getting ready because we're gonna use some of that pasta water in our sauce. While that chicken breast is resting, we're going to make the Alfredo sauce. We're gonna take a 1/2 cup of the pasta water that the pasta was cooked in, and on a low temperature, you don't wanna get this so it's boiling, you just want it to be simmering and warm. And you're gonna take that, you're gonna add in some heavy cream, some garlic, and 1/2 of the grated Parmesan cheese. You're gonna add that into your pan along with 1 stick of butter. Alfredo sauce is not for the calorie counters. I'll just say that now. We're gonna let that get heated up and melt all together. And once that's all melted together and creamy, we're gonna add in the rest of the Parmesan cheese. I should have melted the butter first. Maybe I'll put a little thing. So once the butter and the cheese is all melted together, and you can see it's not boiling, it's just simmering, we're gonna add in the remaining Parmesan cheese. And that is gonna thicken up that sauce to make it that really nice, thick Alfredo sauce. If you want it to be thicker, you can leave out the water from the pasta and do all heavy cream. And if you want it to be on the little bit thinner side, you can use just the pasta water and no heavy cream. So we're gonna get that stirred up and make sure that all the cheese is melted. And then we're gonna plate up this chicken Alfredo. It's gonna be delicious. We are all ready to plate it up. Remember with the Alfredo sauce, you don't want it to come to a boil because you don't want that cheese to separate and get grainy. And you're gonna season it to taste with salt and pepper. So I added that already. I'm gonna put this over my fettuccine. And then we're gonna top it off with that chicken. The chicken you can do either in the pan, like I showed you, or you could grill it. That's just a personal preference. Or if you wanted to top it with maybe some shrimp, you could really do so many different things with it. We're gonna put a little broccoli with it. And I have some garlic bread going in the oven. So we're gonna have a whole side and it will be ready for dinner. I'm so excited. This comes together really quick, it's delicious, and you don't need a lot of ingredients in the house. For this recipe, you'll find it at the end of the video, and there's many more recipes on the Sharky's Greenhouse YouTube channel. Have a great day.